How to approve tag on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can approve tag on Facebook, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to approve tag on Facebook, first of all make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version, and once you've done so, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Facebook application on the list. Once you launch your Facebook app, just come to your profile page over here, and once you come to your profile page you'll be able to see all this. In order to actually approve tag or actually go ahead and see those tag requests, just scroll down and then under post you'll find the option called manage post. So all you need to do is just tap on the manage post option. So basically here you'll be able to see all the posts that you might have been tagged in. If you want to approve a specific one, just tap on it, tap on the next option, and then make sure to approve it if it's not approved already. Or you can just tap on the option called remove tags if you want to remove the tag, or you can also tap on the delete button to delete the post, or you can choose to hide it from your timeline. And this is it on how you can actually approve tag on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.